Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a specialty dish from Chongqing, dry pot potato slices. First, we prepare a few small potatoes and peel them. After peeling, cut them into thin slices, about 3 mm thick. Just like this is fine. If the potato slices are too thin, they'll fall apart easily. If they're too thick, they won't absorb the flavors. After slicing, put them into a large bowl. Then add some clean water. Soak the potato slices for a while to prevent them from oxidizing and turning black. Prepare 3 green chili peppers and slice them diagonally. After slicing, put them on a plate. Slice a few bird's eye chilies as well. Prepare half an onion and cut it into thin strips. Prepare 20 grams of fresh ginger, slice it, and put it on a plate. Slice 3 cloves of garlic as well. Also prepare a small amount of Sichuan peppercorns. Get about 50 cents worth of pork belly and cut it into thick, thin slices. After slicing, place them on a plate. Our potato slices have finished soaking. Rinse them thoroughly to remove the starch, washing several times until the water runs clear. Once clean, take them out and drain off the excess water. Pour a generous amount of oil into the pan and heat it up. When the oil reaches about 70% of its maximum heat, insert chopsticks, and you should see small bubbles quickly forming around them. Next, add the potato slices and gently stir them with a spoon to ensure they heat evenly. Because the potato slices contain moisture, they won't absorb any oil at all. Fried potato slices taste even more fragrant. Fry them until the surface turns slightly golden, then remove and drain the oil. Leave a little oil in the pan, then add the pork belly, and stir fry it until it's fragrant and the fat is rendered out. Then add the sliced ginger and garlic, and a spoonful of doubanjiang. Stir fry until fragrant and the red oil comes out. Next, add the Sichuan peppercorns and stir fry until aromatic. Add the potato slices and stir fry a few times. Now start seasoning. Add a spoonful of chicken bouillon, a little sugar to enhance the flavor, and an appropriate amount of light soy sauce. Add a little oyster sauce. Stir fry evenly until fragrant. Then add the green and red peppers and shredded onion. Stir fry evenly until fragrant. Friends, if you've watched the video up to this point, could you please use your lucky hands to like and share it? Your likes and shares are my greatest support. Thank you so much. Next, carefully add a little bit of cumin powder to truly enhance the wonderful aroma, then stir fry everything evenly, and that's essentially it. Now it's perfectly ready to be served and enjoyed. You can also serve it in a clay pot. A delicious, aromatic, visually appealing dry pot potato dish is ready. Tasty, goes perfectly with rice, stimulates appetite, satisfies cravings. If you like it, save recipe and give it a try.